Okay guys, here's the recipe for the deep fried cheesecake. It took a little longer to reach our goal, but we finally made it. First, we're going to start with our cheesecake batter. Make sure to cream that cream cheese before adding the additional ingredients. Notice after I add an ingredient, I'll mix again. So just make sure you're mixing that batter up really well. I love lemon zest. This is completely optional, but look how creamy that is. Next, I placed frozen strawberries in a greased silicone mold. Then carefully pour your cheesecake batter over the strawberries. Notice I'm trying to go around the strawberry and carefully over them so their position doesn't shift. Take your time. Bake your cheesecake for 20 to 30 minutes on 325 degrees. Then freeze again. You need to freeze them before you try to remove them from the mold. Grab another bowl. Now it's time to make your batter for deep frying. Dust the cheesecake with a little bit of flour before you place it in the batter to ensure that the batter will stick. Heat your oil to 350 degrees and fry until golden brown. These are pretty heavy, so make sure that they're not sticking to the bottom of the pan. Do you see how pretty that is? Then I place them on a wire rack to drain, and I'm going to move on to the strawberry jam. This is totally optional. This strawberry jam is super easy. It's just strawberry, sugar, and a squeeze of lemon. Give your fried cheesecake a nice dusting of powdered sugar. Here's our strawberry jam coming out. Look how pretty that is. Now, if you have an anonymous story to submit, click the link in my bio. Don't forget to like, share, save, and follow. Don't just use me for my recipes. Enjoy. These are so good.